Hi, I'm Benjamin Golding. Welcome to the presentation of our financial results for the fourth quarter. Total operating revenue amounted to 1.2 billion NOK. Total group revenue increased by 14% and operating profit increased from 67 million NOK to 151 million NOK compared to the same quarter last year. And we delivered an EBIT margin of 13%, up from 7% in the same quarter last year. The increase was largely driven by solid performance across several portfolio companies, with particularly strong growth and operational excellence in NSSL Global and Enrix. In October, Arendals Fossekompani, Advent International and Generation Investment Management completed the acquisition and delisting of Volue. The completed Volue transaction resulted in a financial gain of 3.3 billion NOK in AFK parent company in the quarter. For the full year of 2024, Arendals Fossekompani Group revenue amounted to 4.4 billion NOK, with an operating profit of 390 million NOK. In a year with declining power prices, we've seen strong performance from our investment portfolio as a whole. Now, let's take a look at a few of our portfolio highlights for the quarter. Volue reported revenue of 444 million NOK, corresponding to an organic growth of 7% compared to the same quarter last year. The adjusted EBITDA margin ended at 24%, up from 21%. SaaS revenue reached 157 million NOK, an increase of 45% compared to the fourth quarter of 2023, now representing 36% of total revenue. In the quarter, the company also acquired PowerBot, a leading provider of algorithmic trading software. Additionally, the company implemented a comprehensive restructuring program, significantly reducing the operational cost base and paving the way for continued margin expansion through 2025. Enrix's revenue and EBIT for the full year was the highest in the company's history. Enrix reported total operating revenue of 46 million euro, corresponding to a 10% growth year on year. Operating profit for the quarter was 5.3 million euro, corresponding to a margin of 11%, up from 8% last year. The company saw growth in both North American and Asian regions in the quarter, while European sales were lower than the same quarter the previous year. NSSL Global reported revenue of £26.9 million, corresponding to a healthy 14% growth. Operating profit in the quarter was £5.6 million. During the quarter, NSSL Global won £18.2 million worth of contracts across its government and maritime sectors, of which £14.5 million represented new business opportunities. AFK Vannkraft reported total operating revenue of 96 million NOK. Hydropower production totaled 148.5 gigawatt hours. The higher production was offset by lower power prices in the NO2 region of 53.5 euro per megawatt hour, compared to 70 euro per megawatt hour last year. Tekna reported total operating revenue of 9.6 million CAD. The decline from 11.4 million CAD the same quarter last year was due to lower order intake in the lumpy systems business during the year. In contrast, advanced materials revenue was up 14% year on year. As for dividend, Arendals Fossekompani is pleased to pay its shareholders 1 NOK per share for the fourth quarter. For more details on our fourth quarter results, please see the report published on our website. Thank you for listening.